So welcome everybody back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Twisters. I've heard it's a pretty good game. Twist. Okay. Twisters. Or Twisted. Well, I'm on an iPad, so you can suck it. If I played this on my Xbox, that would be quite better, but my Xbox is... That's the only open server. It's the only open server. You gotta join it. Alright. It's like we're gonna catch ourselves a tornado. Like Queso, like the great Queso once said. Looks like we gotta catch ourselves a tornado. Okay. $500. I hope this is like 1936. Back. Looks like everyone's here at Prior Lake. Okay, how do I spawn? Is there a tornado? It looks like Hazleton. I don't know, I just spawned somewhere. But let's catch ourselves a tornado. God damn the graphics. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to lower the graphics a bit. My iPad is going down. Okay, actually, no. I'm gonna put graphics automatic because I'm not dealing with that. No. I'm too poor to afford 2006. This is the only thing that I could buy. How much money do I have? $7,000. Yep, I have to buy this. Purchase. Can I purchase it, please? Is my iPad already failing me? Purchase. I only have $7,000. Mister! Hello? Okay. Can I drive it? Oh, I can drive it. This is my car. I don't think this tires are supposed to be like that. But let's see. Let's find the cheapest car I could buy. This old junk house. Purchase. Let's go to the way. I don't think I can buy those. Can I order the ones that I have? Oh, spawn. Oh, yes, blue. That's my most favorite color. Say that's the basic sky blue. Okay. Let me drive my own car. Let's go catch yourself a tornado. Like the great Queso once said. Let's go catch us a tornado. I don't know where the tornadoes are, but we'll find one. Gluten glow. Yeah, where the hell are we? I feel like a tornado. Aren't you supposed to be an off-road vehicle? You're a goddamn truck. Is that a road? That looks like a freaking road. We're slowing down. Where do we go? Can I press the map? Should I submit a report? No. Get me back in my truck. How much fuel do I have left? Excuse me, can I drive my truck? So if there's goddamn fuel in this thing, I'm about to cry. Because I know there's one made by Outberg. Where is the tornadoes? Is there anyone? No, there's no storms. God damn it. Well, I guess I'll continue the video once we find a storm. Ooh, actually, no. Oh, then we found ourselves a tornado. I think we found ourselves a tornado. We just go east. Where's east? Where's our compass pointing? I think it's this way. Yeah, I think there's a storm over there. Alright, let's go catch ourselves a tornado. Hopefully. So I saw like green clouds. Wait, doesn't green mean good? Oh, god damn it. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. I'm not the best driver. We're going 80 miles per hour on like a 1996 Toyota Hyundai or something. Is that a tornado? Oh, god damn it. That's the ocean. Oh, no. Storm's almost full. Oh, what do you mean? He's talking about... It's leaving! I don't... Oh, god damn it! Yeah, let's go back to this. Let's go back home. Can I reset my character? What is this game? Okay, yes, I would like to respawn. Can I like go somewhere else, like where there's like a tornado? I don't like this place. Well, let's spawn our dumb, incompetent car. That's just perfect. Okay, yeah. I'll just start the video, or well, I'll continue the video once we once we find a tornado. Okay, so I've just joined a new server and it's pitch goddamn black. I'm checking to see if there we got a tornado. Oh, we got a tornado! Oh yeah! Let's get in. This is our car. This is not our car. Okay, let's go catch ourselves a tornado. If I can find my car. Spawn my Chevy Ron 69. Where the hell did my car go? Yeah, why can't my vehicle spawn? I want to go. It's 3:17 a.m. I'm not ready for this. Oh, yeah, this is a tornado. Let my car spawn, goddammit. Let me drive. Okay, so where are we right now? We're we're right next to it. We're right next to it. Well then, let's go catch ourselves a tornado. I don't care if I die, it's for content! Where do you think the tornado is? Because I can't see goddamn... Doesn't this thing have lights? Can I get your lights on? Okay. We're okay. Let's check the satellite. Wait, we're like in like a blue area. We have to like go more this way. We might be heading straight into the Daredevil. Wait. What about like... God damn it, Jeff. God damn it. What am I getting myself into? Okay. I'm spinning around the world. But let's go to the way of thunder. Oh yeah, here's stuff over here. No, let me get on the road, please. please. Let's get on the road and let's... Is that Siren Head? Wait, is that Siren Head? Excuse me, what? Okay, yeah. I know I'll sign up for Siren Head. I don't know where to catch ourselves a tornado, but I think we're getting close. Wait, where are we? I think we're like over here. So that's where it is. That's where it is. So I have to turn around. Yeah, I have to turn around. Yeah, so, Yep, this is just great. This is just the most amazing thing that could have possibly... So we're going backwards. We have to take a turn on the nearest turn. Then we'll be inside. This is going to be the smartest and stupidest plan I've had yet, but for you viewers, it's going to be content. I'm not afraid anymore! Going 90 miles per hour in a 1986 car. Oh, we can see stuff. Wait, let's go in settings. Yeah, my render distance needs to be the highest it could possibly be. I want to see what I should be able to see. Okay, yeah, we have to go more down. Yeah, we have to go to that gas station we were at earlier. Wait a minute, what? I'm confused. It's running away! It's running away, goddammit! I don't see anything. Oh, nope, full speed ahead, full speed ahead up the... No, how do we get up? Alright. We're gonna be going fast. And when I say fast, I mean fast, goddammit. Fast! Okay, yeah, we're getting the hell out. We're going on foot. We're going on foot. Cold, hard foot. I don't necessarily see a twister. No one's saying anything in chat. Where? It's running away! I think that's an E5. I'm not even sure if that's a tornado. I'm just doing this for content. Oh yeah. Damn, even the apples are falling from trees. That means it's a big boy. Wait, am I going the correct way? I should be going this way. I think I'm going that way. Oh, I'm on like some curvy curve, swervy. No, down there. I have to go down then straight. Wait, there's more people here. People! Civilization! Well, men, we found ourselves a tornado. Let's go! God damn it! Ah! Just had to spin out. Holy goddamn! Can I get on the goddamn road? These car physics aren't the greatest. Let me on the road. Where am I going? I don't know. See? Donkey doo-doo. Don't care. Following us? Okay, that means we must be going the correct way. Oh yeah. We're gonna go catch ourselves a tornado. Hopefully. If not, I'll post another video. I think that's what we're looking for. That doesn't look like necessarily a tornado. That just looks like a really big... Oh! Okay, yeah, we're just gonna go head first. I'm surprised when the side... That was untextured for a second. Yeah, it's just a really big storm. It's no tornado. Because I don't see a tornado. Oh, I think I see one in the distance. But I'm not sure. Where am I? What's the legend looking at? This is me. Side quest. Tally ho! Can I just go straight through the corn? We're losing him! Think I can run faster than this hunk of metal? God damn it! No, it's going away! Oh, I think that's gonna be it for this day of Twisters. Well, maybe not. If that thing is so far ahead. Yeah, it's going up north. We lost our only chance of a tornado. Well, that's gonna be it for this video of Twisted. See you in the next one.